Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely Mitsubishi Warrior. Now this is a 2020 on a 70 plate, finished in this lovely grey metallic paintwork. We've covered just over 35,000 miles and this is one very tidy pickup truck. Now we sell quite a few of these L200s. The Warriors are a very well specified pickup. So let's have a look around it. So lots of chrome detailing on these vehicles. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got the headlamp wash for those, we've got the lower fog lamps. We're riding on these 6 twin spoke diamond turned alloy wheels. Those are 18-inch with the sort of grey detailing in the centres, diamond turned outer edge, riding on very nice chunky tyres. Now looking down the side of the pickup, no signs of any dents, dings. We've got the side steps, mud flaps, nice silver detailing round your mirror caps, on your grab handles. You've even got keyless entry on these vehicles as well. Privacy glass, then coming through to the back. We've got reversing camera, more chrome detailing, and then when we poke our heads inside, we've got the line loader. That's original Mitsubishi motors, so that's all in very nice order. You can tell it's never had any hard use, so it's never had bricks, plastic tools just thrown in the back of there. It's been very well maintained. Same goes for the shut, that's all in nice order. Nothing's ever been trapped in there. But a very bonny looking thing. Same goes for the passenger side, no dents or dings on the bodywork. Coming through to the interior then. Inside is a cloth, sports interior, charcoal and black. As you can tell looking at the seats, they're in nice order. Looking into the cabin, multifunction steering wheel, nice big screen there. We'll jump inside in just a second. Looking through to the back seats, we've got rear armrest with 2 cup holders, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Now, jumping inside, starting her up. So I can confirm, the vehicle is supplied with 2 keys. As we're doing the video today, we've only covered 35,918 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Multifunction steering wheel, so cruise control, speed limiter. We've got our volume controls as well. Media source, all your Bluetooth phone, voice command, trip computer, which pops up on there as well. Coming through then to the center display, we've got our apps. Once your phone's connected through, you've got all your vehicle settings, so apps, phone, iPod, USB, FM, AM, DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. And then you've got HDMI, Bluetooth audio, GPS, that's all found up through the screen. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got HDMI, 2 USBs, power outlet there, 12 volts, 6-speed manual box, selectable driving modes, central cup holders, central armrest. Within there you've got quite a bit of storage. So if you'd like anything further on this Mitsubishi, give us a call, 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.